Hey, I'm back again. There you go. So, I took the coils, or the armatures, whatever you want to call them, took them off, the 24 horsepower V twin, and brought them in to test. So what they tell you to do is you turn this down to about 20K right there. Yeah. And then you go find out what your base is. So you have your primary and your secondary. Your primary is going to be in here and in here. Okay, secondary is here, primary is here. Okay, this one right there, watch this. I get nothing. I think I got that right here. You go here, let's see, here, nothing. Okay, now watch this. Go to the other one here, and we'll go primary. Go again. Primary 4. See that? Secondary, about the same thing. So this is a good armature. This one got zilch. So guess what was causing all my issues? That is all my grounding issues. This guy. So I went through all that stuff of the, went through all that stuff about the, ground on the frame, the ground on the engine, so-called ignition problems, so-called solenoid, so-called solenoid problem. Went through all that all morning long, and this was my problem. This guy.